I'm so excited because today is the day a bunch of this stuff gets cleared out of this apartment. I feel like I've just been hoarding a bunch of stuff, and my dad is coming today to help me. We're also going to, hopefully it's raining, so I don't know, maybe do a little work on the outside, getting some apartment things done. Gotta bring in the help of a strong man, so I appreciate my dad coming. If you're new to my channel, welcome, or welcome back. This is your first time. Hi guys. Such a gloomy day. My dad has left. The outside is a little bit more furnished. Cooking myself up a late lunch because I didn't really eat a lot today. I only had a Starbucks breakfast sandwich. I am putting together Trader Joe's vegetable fried rice, Trader Joe's riced cauliflower stir fry, and I added the zucchini. So I'm gonna chop this up and add it in, stir it around with some soy sauce. That's gonna be my late lunch. Trying to get better about adding more veggies to everything. I got these knives for the holidays from Our Place. That's what the brand is. Our Place is the brand. That's actually where my pan is from too. And I love them. They're just so good. I don't like to record me chopping because I know that I'm not very good at it, but I'm working on my knife skills. Yeah, so a little fried rice moment, and then I have a call at 4, so I will quickly eat before I get on that. It's definitely a lot more zucchini than I intended, but who cares? It will taste good. Adding a lot more soy sauce. My hair. All right, many hours have passed. I worked a little bit. Danielle and I did some work. We have our live show next week. We'll probably end up doing more if I had to guess, if I were a betting woman. So we did some work on like prepping for that, had a call, etc. I got chopped for dinner. I've been addicted to this particular salad. I just took a bath. Always gotta get chips on the side. I got classic sea salt, and I got bread. The salad it's so good. It's the Palm Beach salad. So it has grilled chicken, white balsamic vinaigrette, avocado, hearts of palm, tomato. I think it's dairy free. Anyways, I've just been addicted to Chopped recently. They chop it up all good. Honestly, I'm Chopped over Sweet Green recently, but they both go back and forth in my mind. I'm gonna eat this and watch the final and just like that. And then I'll probably do some reading. Also need to pack. This weekend I'm going upstate just for one night, but I need to get my stuff together. So, cheers. Good morning, everybody. Woke up, showered, curled my hair a little bit with the Dyson Airwrap. Sometimes it's better than others. I'm still trying to get it down. I would like to keep the curls like kind of tighter though and not brush them out right away. Otherwise they won't hold as well. Does that make sense? But we got some nice volume, I think. I'm getting my stuff together right now. Just gonna pack up my laptop and stuff and head to a coffee shop to meet Danielle and Caroline, who helps us with stuff for the podcast. We are going to have a little brainstorming session, get some stuff done, and then I need to run a few errands around the city. But it's a really gloomy, rainy day, kind of again, same vibes as yesterday. So this is what my dad helped me with yesterday. We put down the rug out here. A lot of people on Instagram were like, is that an outdoor rug? It says online that it's an outdoor rug. The reviews said that it was an outdoor rug, so we're gonna see like how it wears and everything. But I am still missing a bunch of stuff out here. There's gonna be an L-shaped couch in that corner. The coffee table will be moved to this side, and then we're missing a bistro table for that corner. But after that, I guess it's done, and then we're just gonna decorate. This storage box is really nice. All of this is outdoor furniture, so it's made to be like weathered. I do plan to get some furniture covers for like the couch and stuff though. The faux plants keep falling over. I have to figure out a plan for that. It's kind of a work in progress, but I'm happy with it. And so thankful that my dad was able to come in and help me. Like I said, super rainy, gloomy day. Later tonight, I'm going to my friend's birthday dinner. I'm not going upstate until tomorrow now, just due to the weather. So I get to go to my friend Savannah's birthday dinner tonight, which I'm really excited for. And then actually what's so exciting is that after the birthday dinner, we're going back to someone's apartment and a psychic is coming. And if you know me, you know I'm obsessed with all that sort of stuff. I don't know where my umbrella is, so I'm just bundled up. I need to get a new one. Okay, I think I did a pretty decent job packing. You know, I could be forgetting stuff. I feel like I've just been looking at screens for too long, so I want to read. I'm about almost halfway through. Third book in the series that I've been reading, Winter in Paradise, and now I'm reading Troubles in Paradise. And let's crank through it, baby, on this gloomy day when I need a little sunshine. I don't know, the weather has me definitely down, and I have a little bit of a headache. Don't know if it's related to the vaccine or whatever, but I've been also in these Brooklinen sweatpants for the past like 2 days, and maybe that's my fault. I like fully got ready, left the house today, and then like fully got back and changed back into sweatpants. It's a lifestyle. That's like my seasonal lifestyle, is coming back and like cozying up, no matter if it's for an hour, if it's for more than that. Like, it's a lifestyle. Hi guys, been a minute. It's Monday now, and I figured I would just pick up the vlog here because I didn't vlog at all this weekend, and I'm happy about that. I had some quality offline time. It was really, really good. Went upstate for just one night and it was so peaceful, so relaxing, so quiet and so dark. Like you can actually see the stars and it makes you appreciate that sort of stuff. Anyways, today is going to be a work day. I'm meeting with Danielle and Emma now to go over some stuff for the live show, which is in a few days. We have like the outline, but we need to get into the technical details. And then we are recording the podcast this week, which is going to be pretty fun. Should I wear my necklace outside my turtleneck? This is the fit just for first up, like lunch meeting vibes. I'm literally wearing aloe yoga leggings. These are like boots. It's kind of raining outside. They're from Dolce Vita. Black plain turtleneck from Alice and Olivia. And then this jacket is from Free People. And then I'm bringing like a proper coat over it all, but this is like my look. My hair is super dirty and I just went ahead and curled it and hopefully it will loosen up. It's also raining, rainy day. Let's pack everything up and head out. We just got to the office, did a quick little lunch. I love this jacket from Free People. It's just like the comfiest thing. So great to throw over, but I'm about to put on the merch. We are going to film today's episode in the merch. It's kind of chilly in here. I'm like deciding what to do. We have not AC, we have like a fan, but we have nothing to make it warmer. But chill in my bones. I've just been very cold this whole winter. That's a tangent. This to change into. Danielle's in the bathroom right now and we'll get to recording. I just got sent this adorable set. Yellow is like one of my favorite colors. I think it's so fun, especially with dark hair, from Daily Drills, and it is adorable. Let's see if I could give you a better look. We have the sweats. They're very, very cute. Finished recording and I think about to head to my boyfriend's and we're gonna cook dinner and hang out for a bit. So I will probably catch up with you guys tomorrow. I'm just gonna keep this vlog going because I feel like I haven't really shown like too much of substance yet and I need to get to it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Making hard-boiled eggs, the grind. What day is today? Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday. Getting my steps in today. I really didn't want to work out, but you know, I said I'm gonna feel much better when it's over. So we're doing it. Just got a good workout in, a good sweat. Gonna make hard-boiled eggs and then shower. And then I have some phone calls and things. Very quickly getting ready, just a little bit of makeup. I showered and I just used the air wrap to kind of get my hair straight, whatever. Just finished a call and I'm meeting up with Danielle in a little bit. We're gonna go to Target and Trader Joe's. They're right next to each other. City Targets are kind of underwhelming, but we're gonna get some decor, supplies, stuff for the live show. We want it to be like decorated very cute, like Galentine's theme. We're doing a live show this Thursday. It will pass when this video goes up. We want to get like really cute, like girly, you know, supplies for it, as well as go to Trader Joe's and get some fun snacks, maybe like charcuterie stuff. I'm also picking up some ingredients for dinner at Trader Joe's. And then at Target, I think I want to do this. I haven't quite figured out yet, but my friend Eli Rallo, she coined this topic of doing like a bay basket, basically for Valentine's Day, of like what you would get your significant other. And it's like a basket that you fill with like a hodgepodge of things. So it could be like socks, you know, candy, practical things. Like you could do like little gift cards if you want, like to their favorite place. And I kind of want to do that for Valentine's Day for my boyfriend. We kind of said that we weren't doing gifts, so I want to like do it very small scale, not like elaborate gifts, I should say. I still want to get him something, you know? So I feel like that's cute, like filling it with candy and stuff. Put that on my list too. Just running around like usual. It happens. Here we go. Target list. I'm trying to decide what type of makeup I want to do because I say I want to do light, but I actually like want to do light. So I'm just going to do some concealer and then this for all over. Thought I would just give you guys a little update and then we'll go grocery shopping together. Just need to have a moment to talk about that foundation. It's just so pretty, so light. That concealer, a little bit of like the Milk Makeup like blush and a little highlighter, and like that's it. Just so pretty. Big fan. The Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. Got my bags together and we are gonna head out in a minute. So this is the combined Target and Trader Joe's, the Lower East, and we're gonna go start at Target and then we'll go to Trader Joe's. I didn't even want to read that out loud. Finished up. I don't know how to say this, but it's literally always disappointing at that Target. I only got a few things. Now, Trader. But this is the best Trader Joe's. So it's like really disappointing Target, but good Trader Joe's. You compromise. It is a good way to put it. Thanks, buddy. Olaplex bun.
Cool girl, clean girl.
I'm really excited to try it. guys. I got some good stuff. I got some charcuterie I'll make a board for us. Dinner. Oh, Valentine's themed. It's cute though. And then I got all the ingredients to make the Baked by Melissa Green Goddess salad, which I'm making tonight, so cheers. Just got home and I'm gonna do a quick haul of everything that I got. These are the ingredients for the Baked by Melissa Green Goddess salad that I think I'm gonna make tonight. So it is cabbage, cucumber, green onion in the actual salad itself, like really chopped finely. And then for the dressing, it is, I think that I have chives somewhere in there too. It's spinach, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, shallot. There's supposed to be nuts. I think I'm gonna do no nuts. So anyways, got the ingredients for that salad. I got a bunch of charcuterie ingredients to make a charcuterie board, which you'll see in the next vlog for the live show. This is just to have around. I thought it's good with eggs or just on its own. Honestly, I eat cheddar cheese from the bag. Judge me. This is also for the live show for our charcuterie. I like these because they come like with just like a mix. I got just guac and spinach and kale dip. Those are the dips I got this time. All right, some more stuff. I needed more olive oil. I got whipped cream because I've been on a hot chocolate kick. This is like such a good sauce just on literally everything. It's the Magnificauce. I love it. So I got that again. These are for me to have with those dips that I showed you, the crispy crunchy crisps. Also got tortilla chips. These are for the live show, like the board that I'm gonna make. These are for me. I got turkey jerky and like turkey sticks are really good. These are so good if you can get them when they're in stock. The mini hard cookies, they're delicious. These are also for the live show, like crackers. And I already dug into another bag of turkey jerky. It's so good. And the last few things, I just got these dark chocolate almond butter pretzel nuggets. I'm so excited about these. And these truffle chips, but I'm actually gonna put these in my boyfriend's like basket that I'm making for Valentine's Day, so no one can spoil that. Okay, this is the stuff from Target. This is for my boyfriend. Obviously I can't have peanuts. Just I got like mostly candy for him, and then I got socks for myself. Danielle and I got matching socks. Pretty cute. I just did like a pretty big closet clean out, and I've been rediscovering stuff, and I got this set, I want to say like around this time last year from Aviator Nation. I totally forgot, and it was very expensive, so I'm gonna start re-wearing it again. It's just pink sweats, and it's very cute, right? I always struggle with sweats being too short on me, because I think I have longer legs, but I want them to like go high. Like my ideal sweatpant would go like above my belly button and like still really long, but these are just like a little bit more of a lower rise fit, I guess. Anyways, my boyfriend's gonna come over now and we're gonna make dinner, and then I will let you guys know. Well, I'll show you like some clips and stuff. Odessa just released a new song today. It's really good. Just did some tidying up in here and it feels really, really clean. I'm really happy with it. Oh, I'm also working on getting art for that wall. It's like literally like being ordered. So please don't stress. It's coming. I know people are commenting about that. And I also ordered a storage unit. It's not going to come for a while, but for that corner, just because I need more storage. Like I have random things everywhere and I just need it. I didn't show you guys the making of it, but you can literally just Google Baked by Melissa Green Goddess salad. And we didn't have all the ingredients to make the dressing properly. I missed a few. I didn't get nuts. Some people on Instagram were asking me like, how did I make it with nuts? I don't really eat, like I think it calls for cashews and walnuts. I don't really eat walnuts. I just don't really eat them. So I just decided to skip nuts altogether, and I didn't get basil. So that was a miss. But beyond that, the salad turned out really, really good. It's just the cabbage, the green onion, the cucumber, chive chopped really finely. I just really like cabbage. It looks like it would be avocado. Like it legit looks like avocado chunks. Avocado would probably just make it even better. And then I ate it plain in the bowl and then with some tortilla chips. Now I am going to clean up. Probably gonna end off this vlog here because I feel like it was a little random and all over the place. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will talk to you all in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.